Hi, I'm Jimena Martinez, real estate agent in Northeast Florida. I was working for a developer back in 2018, and I realized there was a huge opportunity for me in the real estate world. So I took a leap of faith and I got my license. I relocated to Jacksonville, and I was truly looking for a brokerage that aligned with my values. I really enjoy working with people, and I like giving back to the community, so I truly was looking for a company where I would fit in. I came across the billboard from Realty One Group Elevate, and I immediately called and set up a meeting. I met with Sam and I met with Tanya, and I immediately knew it was the company for me. I really feel welcome. I feel as if we knew each other for a long time, and there's a lot of coaching involved in the company. You have a team, there's a community, and I really, really appreciate that. There has been a lot of things happening in my life lately, but they have been really understanding. And it's really good to know that if something happens in your life, that they will have your back.